think in a smaller country like this, you have to really sharpen your powers of observation in all that you do and all that happens here, to ask the question of, is there anything that can happen better through the introduction of technology that has those utility factors of saving on something. But it has to be at a scale big enough that it makes sense for you even to go down that path. And so in everything you're doing, you're constantly being called upon to have the question of, can I do anything? Is there any opportunity for me here? And that's what a true entrepreneur does. So you're not just a creator of an app, you have to be an entrepreneur. And that entrepreneurial spirit is always asking the question, what else can I do? Okay, this is here, what is here that I can make better?